Understanding above the average in English. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, above the average. This phrase is commonly used in English, and understanding it can really enhance your language skills. So, let's dive in and find out what it means to be above the average. Above the average is a phrase composed of three key parts: above, the, and average. Let's break it down. Above is a preposition that indicates a higher position or level. The is a definite article, specifying that we are talking about a particular average. Average refers to the typical, normal, or standard level. When combined, the phrase means performing or being at a level higher than the normal or standard level. This phrase can be used in various contexts. Here are a few examples. 1. Academic performance. Her grades are above the average, meaning she's doing better than most students in her class. 2. Work performance. His sales numbers are consistently above the average for our team. 3. General comparison. The quality of this product is above the average you'd expect at this price point. In each case, the phrase is used to indicate that something is better or higher than what is normally expected. Not a synonym for best. It's important to note that above the average doesn't necessarily mean the best. It simply implies better than normal, but not necessarily the top. Context matters. Be aware of the context. The average in one situation might be very different from the average in another. Try using the phrase in a sentence. Think about your own experiences or observations and create a sentence where above the average fits. This will help cement your understanding of the phrase. We hope this video has helped clarify the meaning and use of the phrase, above the average. Remember, it's a useful phrase to describe something that is better than the norm but not necessarily the top. Keep practicing, and you'll soon be using this phrase like a native speaker. Happy learning!